If you want to unlock higher withdrawal limits, enhanced security, and full access to all features on BingX, completing the verification process, KYC, is necessary. To begin, open the BingX app on your mobile phone or go to the official BingX website and log into your account. After logging in, you will land on the homepage. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open your account settings menu. From there, find the verification section. If your account is not verified, it will show an unverified status. Tap on the verification option and then click Verify Now to start the identity verification process. You'll be guided through a step-by-step setup. First, you will need to select your country of residence and confirm some basic details. After that, continue to the next step. Now, you will be required to upload your identity document. Choose the country where your ID was issued, then select the document type you want to use, such as a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. After selecting your document, allow camera access so BingX can capture your ID. Take a clear photo of the front side of your document and make sure all details are visible. If required, repeat the same process for the back side as well. Once your ID is uploaded, you'll move to the facial verification step. Place your face inside the frame shown on the screen and follow the instructions to complete the scan. After submitting everything, BingX will review your application. The verification process usually takes a few minutes to several hours, but in some cases it may take up to 24 hours depending on system load. Once approved, your BingX account will be fully verified. You'll then be able to enjoy higher withdrawal limits, improved account security, and complete access to all trading features on the platform.